How's it going, guys? Welcome to another how-to crypto tutorial. In today's video, we will show you how to change the email address associated with your Binance account. If you haven't already, go to your App Store and download the Binance app. If you live inside the United States, make sure to use the Binance US version. Open the application and click on the avatar in the top left corner to access your profile information. At the top of this page, click on the yellow chat icon to speak with a Binance representative. This will display the support section of the app. Select the Account Management tab and then choose Email Change. Once you are connected with a Binance representative, you will be asked to complete a series of tasks and answer several questions in order to verify your identity. First, share the new email address you want to use for your account. Second, attach a photo of your proof of identification. If you registered with a driver's license, include pictures of both the front and back. Next, attach a selfie photo of yourself holding your proof of identification. Last, attach a video recording of yourself while holding your proof of identification and repeating this phrase: "Today is date, month, year. I am requesting to change my email address from old email to new email." You can upload the files directly to the support chat or use a Dropbox link. Documentation within Google Drives will not be accepted. Once these steps have been completed, your documents will be reviewed and the process will be finalized. For security purposes, the withdrawal function will be disabled for 120 hours after an email change. Thanks for watching this video. If it was useful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.